Namaste. Welcome to SitarByTheHaldi. My name is Shamarendra Mondal and I am a disciple of Pandit Devaprasad Chakravarti of the Maihar Gharana. If you are new in Indian classical music, this series is designed especially for you. In this course, we will explore the beautiful world of Indian classical music step by step, using simple language that anyone can understand. Today, we begin with the most fundamental question: what is a rag? Many people think raga is a simple notation, but it is more than that. A rag is a musical framework with its own personality, emotions, and rules. Just as every language has its own grammar, every rag has its own musical grammar. A rag is built from selected notes, but those notes are arranged and used in a special way. Each rag has a unique set of notes, characteristics, phrases, important notes that receive emphasis, rules about how the melody should move, and most importantly, a unique emotional atmosphere. For example, some rag creates a feeling of peace, some expresses devotions, some evoke deep meditation, others express joy, romance, or longing. Another fascinating aspect of Indian classical music is that many ragas are associated with a particular time of the day or a season. For example, Rag Bhairav is traditionally performed in the early morning. Rag Yaman associated with the evening. In the same way, Rag Malhar is connected with the monsoon season. The beautiful relationship between music, nature, and human emotions makes Indian classical music truly unique. It is also important to understand that a raga is not memorized like a song. Instead, musicians learn the grammar of the rag and then create beautiful melodies through creativity and improvisation while respecting its rules. That is why two musicians can perform the same raga, yet every performance sounds different. In the coming lessons, we will gradually learn the seven basic notes, how ragas are constructed, the concept of aroha and avroha, vadi and samvadi, pakad, time theory, and many other fascinating aspects of Indian classical music. Whether you are a music lover, or someone who wishes to learn the sitar, understanding ragas will help you appreciate this wonderful musical tradition much more deeply. Now I am playing Rag Yaman. It is showing the evening, the essence of romance, the peace, and your understanding of the loneliness. After Yaman, you can feel the essence of a morning raga. The total essence is different. You can feel the warmness of sunlight. You can feel the devotion. You can feel the connection between soul and God. Every raga is special for every time, for every emotions, for every expressions, for every feelings. So Indian classical raga is very vast, and understanding it like understanding yourself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe to Sitar by the Haldi. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson where we will explore the 7 basic notes of Indian classical music: Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, and Ni. Until then, keep listening, keep learning. Namaskar.